Johnny Somali is not Somali, and I need everyone with a phone to know that. If you don't know who Johnny Somali is, he's this rage baiter YouTuber whose whole shtick is to go into different countries and act like a complete menace to society. Johnny Somali's real name is Ramses Khalid Ismail, and that is just not a Somali name. And before his channel was called Johnny Somali, he went by Habesha Capital. But get this, turns out he's actually half Oromo, half Yemeni, so he's not. What are you doing with these names? Recently, Johnny Somali took his ass to South Korea to desecrate statues of comfort women. Like, why would you even do that? Not only is he evil, but he's a severe clout chaser because he's attaching Somali to his name. But he's also inadvertently painting Somali people as like these hooligans. And you're not even gang for real. Johnny Somali's whole marketing strategy is to use the names of most searched East African identities to attach to his name and his brand, using the Somali name to clickbait and generate some sort of traffic to himself and his content. Can you call that content?